Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, my name is Ciara and I do videos on everything and anything beauty and lifestyle and what it takes to be a girl boss. Today I'm gonna do what's on my iPhone X. If you would like to see my previous videos and unboxings and iPhone videos, I will make sure to link the playlist. I do set up my apps a little different. I have a few new ones, so let's just get right into it. So here is the first page of my apps. So on the first page, I have all of my pink apps, and if you want to see how I got my apps pink, I will link that video below and above. I just have all the regular social media. These are kind of common: YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, Instagram. I'm ciarahoneydip on all of my handles if you would like to follow me. Gmail, my calculator, Square Ready so that I can fit my photos into Instagram. At the bottom, I have anchored my Instagram, photos, music, and Google. On the next page is where I keep my green apps. These are all standard iPhone apps except for Duolingo so that I can learn Spanish. I am trying to learn Spanish. Waiter is a food ordering service. Alarm clock. Huji is an app where you can take pictures and make it look like old school. This page is where I keep all of my photo editing apps. The ones I use the most, I would say, is definitely Square Ready. PicMonkey is mostly how I edit my Instagram photos. After Light, I use a bit. Lightroom, Touch Retouch, you can remove objects and pictures. That one's really cool. Those are pretty much all of the ones I use for photo. A lot I have here but I actually don't use, but I just keep all of my photo apps on this page. The next page, I keep all of my black background apps. One that I do like is Dark Sky. That helps predict the weather. It's a weather app, but it tells you the weather and it breaks it down like 30 minutes at a time, and it's like live update. To me, it's more accurate than the Apple weather app, more specific to your location. This page is my orange and yellow apps. As you can see, I just grouped everything by color. A lot of these are productivity apps. I have Notes. Google Keep is where I take notes when I'm on the go in my phone if I don't have my planner. iBooks, Audible. Keeper is a password keeper. Genius Scan, to me, is like one of the coolest apps. You can use that to take pictures of documents and it'll automatically turn it into a digital PDF file. I know that doesn't sound exciting, but I use it a lot, like for my personal business and for work. A lot of my clients use it and it saves my life. Instead of having to fax something or scan something, you can just snap it with your phone. Ring Central, which is my work phone, that comes to my cell phone. Ovia is like a period fertility app. Flowify is work. Zoe's is like one of my favorite places to eat. I haven't eaten there in a while, but I do collect the rewards. I love that. I do have the Kimojis. I don't use them that much. And then of course I have Snapchat. The next page is all of my red apps. On my red social media app, of course, YouTube and Pinterest, Gmail, my calendar. Some of the cool apps, I guess, the cool apps. Investigator allows you to get the metadata of a photo. So if you're trying to investigate a photo, like if somebody sends you a photo and you're trying to figure out where it is, what date it was taken, what time, the location, it just extracts all this data from it. Kind of a cool app. Font app. This next page is pretty much my purple-ish apps. Coco PPA, which is what I use to make shortcuts and the cute icons. Flow, that's a period app. Retail Me Not is where I get coupons for shopping online and in stores. HQ is a live game show app. There is a game coming on in less than an hour, so I need to hurry up. You guys can friend me. Also, if you join HQ, you can put in my username, which is ciarahoneydip, and that'll give me like an extra life, which is what can help you get more right answers in a game. You can win money. Tonight is a $100,000 prize. I definitely will be playing. On this page is all of my blue apps. My social media ones, of course, Twitter, Facebook, PayPal, Kindle. I have my bank, one of my credit cards, a news app. My gym app is on here. Track packages with Parcel Track. Gone is where you can sell electronics that you're not using anymore. Google Docs. Overdrive is for library books. Wish is so that I can shop, which I don't need to be doing. The next page is my rainbow colored apps docket, which allows you to take pictures of documents and store them in your phone instead of having lots of papers around. Papers can get out of hand and mail an important document, so instead of having mounds of paperwork, this docket app lets you keep track of your important documents. Happify is an app used to keep your mood high, so if you're dealing with something that's stressful or you're kind of sad, do different tasks that are proven to help you feel happier. eBay Cozy, I just downloaded a organization app. Amazon, of course, and Pandora. Here is my gray apps. I have my standard iPhone apps, QR reader, games on here. Lately, I've been loving the games that let you like choose your fate. They're really fun. Me and some of my friends play those. Ancestry DNA. I did do an Ancestry DNA test just to find out more about my DNA, and that was really interesting. I just keep this in here in case I ever want to reference it. My last page is free prints and tasty apps that I didn't know where to put. That's really it. So that is it for what's on my iPhone. Try not to keep too much stuff on it because I don't want it to get cluttered, but I think it's fun to organize it and color code it, and it really helps me navigate the apps on my phone better. If you like this video and you thought it was fun or helpful in any way, or you found some cool app that you didn't know of before, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already and you love these iPhone videos, make sure to subscribe, and I will link all of my iPhone videos in a playlist below and above. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.